Well, the US markets may have given us a flat lead, but we've certainly seen some of the equity bulls coming alive today at the first trading session of the week. We've seen the Nikkei back above 20,000, up about 50 basis points or so. Chinese equity markets are doing very nicely. The A50 up 1.5%. We've got the CSI 300 pushing up quite nicely. Yeah, obviously, that's ahead of a potential increased inclusion in the MSCI emerging market basket that comes out on Wednesday there. So the review whether we're going to see greater inclusions Chinese A shares in that EM basket is something that people are getting quite excited about. I think the strategists I've read suggest that that's about a 50-50 proposition, and when even if they do get included, it's not going to be groundbreaking numbers of companies that are going to be included in that basket. But certainly, what we're seeing today is a few pre-positioning ahead of that, and Chinese equity markets could be a trade for the next couple of days to focus on. In terms of data today, there really hasn't been a huge amount to drive. We've seen some trade numbers coming out of Japan. They haven't really moved dollar yen or the yen in any shape or form. The yen is the struggling currency as it was last week. So yen seems to be the currency. If you want to be short any currency at the moment, that is the currency which seems to be the weakest around. We're seeing some good flows into the Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi yen, one of the better performers today. No real reason. We do know the RBN said meet later this week. So maybe some pre-positioning ahead of that, and maybe people suggesting there could be a bit of a more hawkish turn. We thought that was going to happen in last meeting, and that didn't happen at all. Nothing really coming out of Australia today. Not a lot to drive today. We did see the RBA governor coming out with a speech earlier on. Nothing new, no new information from that. The Aussie dollar against the greenback actually looks quite constructive. I'm willing that into 77 cents. It's been a great sell level, for at least since the beginning of 2016. In terms of equities here, well, you've seen the market moving up a little bit higher, but no real conviction there as well. And our European opening calls, based on everything we've seen, are looking quite constructive. We're looking for a higher European open there.